Welcome to the WoodsyTV blooper special, where the director's cut videos are not usually shown. And here is my bloopers of the last couple of videos I've been making. It was a flop. Something I knew all along about these plastic wonders of bull. Now these are rubbish. These are absolute rubbish. They're a con. They are a con. And this video proves it. I'm about to show you today. They are a con.
Smokey. Puss, 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 puss. That was rubbish.
Hey, you're a naughty cat, ain't you, a naughty boy? Go outside now, Smokey. You naughty boy. Yeah. You're outside there, Smokey, hey? You're outside there, hey? Ah, you naughty cat. There. Alright, Smokey. Yeah, off he goes. Off he goes. Puss, 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 puss. Oh, look what he's doing now. He's doing. Oh, no, you there! Smokey, no! What do you think you're doing up there, you naughty cat, eh? Hey, puss, 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 puss. Chewing up paper. Goes around knocking fingers on the ground. What's this? Bloody cat. Oh, look, he's going to jump. Hi. I hope you enjoyed this video Keon Park so far. Like at any project, there's always controversy. The people who live next door to the station in these apartments have now started complaining about the noise and the lighting that this Taj Mahal, as they call it, is upsetting them like the well, let's say that during this project it has become from a single car garage to become like a Taj Mahal, as one resident said. You know, progress is progress. In my opinion, they either suck it up or get out. Yeah, as you can see, is the completion of this station is an absolute milestone in the efficiency of road and rail. It is the best thing. It is the best thing for Keon Park for this upgrade to happen. But these stubborn apartment people who live in these apartments don't see it that way, in my opinion. But we had to move that station to that location because the transmission lines and all the infrastructure, existing infrastructure, has been developed over the last 50 years. Now, it will cost a lot more if we move all those facilities, like the transmission lines and the terminal station. I'm sorry, but we cannot move those things that has with the existing infrastructure, like the transmission lines. I think water, mostly the transmission lines, and also the freeway. We can't shift those. The most cost-effective way to have that level cost removal was to move the station on that new location next to the apartments. Now, they have to find a way to coexist by using soundproof walls, self-proofing panels on the walls, or soundproofing windows, or even shades to block out the big lighting to help them live in there. Now those three things need to be addressed on that new building, and when that building was built, the possible new station next door to it should have been considered by the architects people, the people who built that complex. It's probably, in my opinion, poor foresight. In my opinion, that new apartment building and that new station built less than 18 months of each other. So that means for many decades, that site used to be an old squash centre. Now the old squash centre wouldn't care about the noise. But but probably with population increasing and all this, and the compression of real estate, like in Keon Park, development of land into from an old squash centre into Taj Mahal. We've gone from a tiny peanut-sized squash centre to a Taj Mahal apartment complex. And also we've come from a two-car garage-like station to a Taj Mahal. Well, it is just progress. That's the problem. Progress does occur. So anyhow, please watch the remainder of this video. Anyhow, people, thanks for watching today. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. And this upgrade was very much needed because of the traffic efficiency, and the level crossing was not fit for purpose anyway. Anyhow, that's all for today. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to this video. And also about these people with these controversial upgrade removals and all that. Let's hope there's a compromise between the two parties. Okay. Anyhow, thanks for watching today's video and thanks for joining me today.
Forward, smashing into a glass panel before.
Hi everybody, welcome to today's edition of WoodsyTV, where we slam the EV. And also this video proves how stupid they are and how much plastic wonders they are too. Only plastic wonders. Anyhow, please subscribe to this channel for more anti-EV videos.
My country don't share no ball.
Please subscribe, whatever, tap the screen and actually follow me if you can.
Please give a thumbs up as well, everybody. Anyhow, everybody, this is all for today. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to this video.
My country don't share no borders because of all the waters that surround our sands. Thank God for our resources because they are the sources of our wealthy land. Don't try to find the capital or fight the animals, you're on your own.
Forward, smashing into a glass panel before.
Hi everybody, welcome to today's edition of WoodsyTV, where we slam the EV. And also this video proves how stupid they are and how much plastic wonders they are too. Only plastic wonders. Anyhow, please subscribe to this channel for more anti-EV videos.
Hey,